This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that should be pre-installed on your phone. Or is it actually? Let me check it real quick. Yep, so here it is. Then hit the plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, grant Google Drive app with the camera access or camera permission, then take whatever document you wanted to scan and simply take a photo. Make sure that your document occupies the whole viewfinder space and is properly aligned in order to, improve the quality and overall appearance of the result. Then hit the check icon over here. The next interface allows you to edit your scan, change its color scheme, rotate it like that, as well as crop the original photo and frame what part of it you would like to result in the final document. Then hit the save button, make the last changes such as renaming your device or changing the drive location it will be saved to. Then finally save it, wait until the scan will be uploaded to your Google Drive, and here's the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.